we are going to find out what is the inverse of this matrix. So we have A is equal to 2, -4, 6, -3. And we're going to find out what is the inverse. You might inverse of A, or they might put A inverse. It means the same thing. So let's deal with that one time. So the first thing I'll do, A inverse is equal to 1 over the determinant of A multiplied by the adjoint of A, right? So DET, A, that's short for determinant of A, a little dot there and a little dot there, right? And ADJ, that's short for adjoint of A. So 1 over the determinant of A multiplied by the adjoint of A, that is how you find A inverse. So that is like the formula. So continuing, so 1 over, right, 1 over the determinant of A. So the determinant of A, to find out what is the determinant of A, you are going to multiply these two numbers and then multiply these two numbers. So you're multiplying the diagonals. So when you multiply these two numbers, you subtract it from the multiplication of these two numbers. All right, so let me write on that. So I have 2 times -3, always minus, always minus. So you multiply these two diagonals first, not these two diagonals first. You multiply these two diagonals first. So 2 times -3 minus this negative sign, always minus, always. And you multiply this diagonal after. So I have -4 multiplied by 6. Right, that done a little center there. All right, multiplied by the adjoint. Switch the position of these two numbers for the adjoint. So here you have -3, here you have 2, and you change the signs for these two numbers. So here you have +4, here you have minus or -6. That is what you do for the adjoint. So let me write that. So I have -3, 2, change the position, all right? And you change the signs for these diagonals here. I have +4, -6. All right, so this is how you find 1 over the determinant. Let me close my bracket right here. Now let's simplify. So simplifying, we have 1 over 2 times -3. When you multiply two different signs, it's a minus, 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Well, you have -24 in this bracket. When you're multiplying two same signs, it's positive, and 4 6s are 24. So 6 from 24 is 18, and you keep the sign of the larger number, which is positive. You don't have to write it as understood. And you write back this here. -3, 4, -6, 2. So we have -3 over 18. We have 4 over 18. We have -6 over 18. And we have 2 over 18. Let me make this. All right. Now, last thing. It's just simplification. If we could simplify the fraction, simplify. All right. If we could simplify a fraction, simplify. So the first one we have, okay, 3 could go into 18 6 times. So we have 1/6, -1/6 here. All right. We know the highest number could go into 4 and 18 without leaving a remainder is 2 here. So we have 2 over 9. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 18, 9. Here, the highest number that could go into 6 and 18 is 6, right, without leaving a remainder. So we can see this here is 1/3. 6 into 6 is 1. 6 into 18, 6 3s are 18, so it's 3. And the highest number that could go into 2 and 18 is 2 2 into 2 is 1. 2018 is 9. Let me give a little more bracket here. So try to have your brackets, try to have your matrix bracket covering the entire thing. Here represents E inverse. So that's it for finding the inverse of a matrix.